Did you know that streaming to multiple platforms simultaneously, including Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, LinkedIn, and more, using OBS Studio is easy and doesn't require additional computer resources or bandwidth? In this video, I'll demonstrate how simple it is to set up this powerful live streaming solution. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have OBS Studio installed on your computer and open it up. Once opened, navigate to Settings and then into the Stream section. Here, choose Restream.io. It allows you to broadcast to multiple platforms at once, while handling all additional bandwidth and resources in the cloud. Click Connect Account and sign up for a new account or log into an existing one. Ensure you authorize OBS to access and stream to your account. That's all for setting up OBS. Now, let's add our end platforms to Restream. Open a browser and go to Restream.io, then log into your account. On your dashboard, select Add Channel. Adding channels to Restream is straightforward. Select your destination, log in, and authorize Restream to stream. Repeat this process for each channel you want to add. No matter how many platforms you add, it won't impact your computer or require extra upload bandwidth. Now you're ready to go live. Click Start Streaming in OBS Studio, and Restream will instantly start sending your stream to every platform you added. If the video solved your issues related to multiple streaming and was informative for you, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.